Using a formula. A formula in mathematics is a rule expressed in letters. For example, P equals 5Q plus 3. The subject of this formula is the P. The P equals the expression 5Q plus 3, and together this gives us a formula. If we are given a value for Q, for example, Q equals 2, we can work out what P is by substituting the value into the formula. So replacing the Q with 2, we get P equals 5 times 2 plus 3, which is 13. So when Q is 2, P is 13, according to my formula. If we have a different value of Q, for example, Q equals minus 4, well, then the value of P will of course change too. For example, when we substitute the Q equals minus 4 into the formula, we get 5 times minus 4 plus 3. So you do the 5 times minus 4 first, and then add the 3, and you get the answer of minus 17. Let's have a look at this next formula. This formula is actually used to find the temperature in Fahrenheit given the temperature in degrees. So if you know the temperature in Celsius, you can work out what the temperature is in Fahrenheit by substituting the Celsius value into the formula. So if you're given the value for Celsius as 20 degrees Celsius, you substitute into the formula here in place of the C, and you get 36 plus 32, don't forget to do the multiplication division first, which gives us the final answer of 68. So when the temperature is 20 degrees in Celsius, in Fahrenheit it's 68. Let's have a look at this tricky example. You can see you have many variables. You have U, A and T, and the subject of the formula is the S. So let's substitute them all in. So we've got our U's in here, our T's here as 2, and A, which is 5. When there are a lot of operations, please be careful when you're applying your rules of BODMAS. So as you can see, it'll be the power that we do first before any division or multiplication. So 2 squared, do that bit first, which is 4. And then the next line, we do the 3 times 2 and the half multiplied by 5 times 4. Now the 3 times 2 is quite straightforward. That will give us 6. And then the half multiplied by 5 times 4. The easiest way to do this is to times the whole numbers together first, which is 5 times 4, which is 20. And then half that. So that will be 10. So my final answer, S equals 6 plus 10, which is 16. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and then try these. How did you get on? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and have another go.